You know when you dream and you wake up and your dream feels like reality and you're where you need to be? That's Sutter Elementary right here, so close your kids can wake up, sleep in, and be there and make honor roll. This home here has been the same family since day one. That's decades of care. We're here in Killarney Farms, one of the best neighborhoods in all of Santa Clara. So here, I'm pretending to work remote. You can work remote or go into the Apple campus 1.2 miles away. Fully professionally redesigned, even expanded. You have this bench here niche behind me with permits, tile enclosure, full tempered glass, tankless toilet, 3 sconce lights on both sides of double sink vanity.
You and my